everybody. Today is Carol's Corner Day. Have you been waiting for this? I'm sure you're probably bored at your house. So let me be the light and the ray of sunshine. Because guess what? It's April. It's basically April. It's April. It's going to be spring. Things are still going to be happening. Things are going to be blooming. We're here at Morris Kaye Tuesday through Friday from 10 to 5 and Saturday 10 to 3. So feel free. Now's the time. Get that first storage in. We have 3 great ways for you to bring in your storage. Number 1, go to the street, give us a holler, pop your trunk, we'll come out, we gather all your garments, bring them in, and we'll bring you a receipt. Number 2, good old regular way. Come in, give us a call, have you ready, come in, you can check out some of our cute stuff. Like me, look at my little hairbando. Look how cute my little hairbando is. Why am I wearing this, you say? I'll tell you why. Roots, baby, roots. So all of us out there that are in the root world and you can't get in, look at this, how cute it is. So give me a call. You can even get one of these while you're traveling on through or kind of making it through to the next day. And I don't want you to miss this jacket. You know, I always have to make my pitch. This is 100% alpaca. Isn't it beautiful? A lot of people don't know. They think we're just fur people. And then I just threw on this little pop of color to give it a little something, something. So think of us now, later for those things too. So storage is going on now. The third way you can do it, we can have a courier come out to your house and pick your things up. And also for some of you that live around my area or whatever, call me. I'm even going to try to do some free pickups and all of that for you if that works for you. I had some clients leave their garments on the doorstep there. I called, they left them, I came and got them, and I sent them the receipt the next day. So if any one of those things are going, storage and cleaning, watch for us because we're going to do a virtual reality maybe restyle clinic. So you're going to make an appointment, you're going to be able to come in here, we're going to have one-on-one appointments, so you'll be all by yourself. When we'll do a conference call with Joe, a video chat. So be looking for that. You can give me a call. We can set those up, of course, any day now. You don't have to do it on a specific day because Joel doesn't need to be here. He'll be here, but only on the little video. So he's waiting for that. We'll do the special pricing. Everything will still be the same. It's a virtual one. And you know me, I'm not a great virtual girl. I'm not a great 2020 person, but I know between the 2 of us and actually the 4 of us, because Irene and my brother, we'll be able to do a great job. And I just wanted to show you some things you could be thinking about from now. And look, check out Miss Irene.
I'm getting my beauty sleep in on the job.
Shame. Here she's showing you those little traveling sets that you can use in your house or near your house. Comes with that like beautiful cashmere eye mask, this, and don't forget about the socks. And Irene's wearing our cute little knitted rabbit poncho. We have it in black and brown right now, and it's only $125. It's never too soon. I know you're thinking about Christmas. You're like, Christmas? Well, Christmas is going to come. Birthdays are going to come. Anniversaries are going to come. We're going to come out of this. We're here to get you out of this. Irene and I are here Tuesday through Friday from 10 to 5, Saturday 10 to 3. Call us at any time, 210-820-3877. Irene and I will be waiting to help you in any way we can. Even if you just want to talk, get out. We'll always can crack a little bottle of wine or bubbly for you to come in and sample. So give us a call anytime. We'll look forward to seeing you. Have a great day and stay well.